I felt very privileged to be able to choose the music for my own service. All of the hymns and the anthems are all things that have some kind of special meaning. One of the anthems is "And They Shall Protect Thee" by Narden. I first felt called to ordination when I was 14 at a friend's ordination service, singing in the choir, and that was one of the pieces that we sung there. And it was at that moment that I felt this is something that I feel called to do. So having that piece of music, particularly here, will be really special. Got Butterfly Movement from There Was a Garden, premiered here at the cathedral during Holy Week. Music by Alex Mills. It's a setting of some R.S. Thomas poems. Thought it would be really nice to have something that has connections to the cathedral. The other piece is a bit more of a mystery. Daniel Pett, who is one of the lay clerks here, agreed to write something. I know very little about it. I'm very excited, and we'll have to wait and see what it is on Saturday.